split up and I ran into him, and then he gets in the van and he won't leave me alone.
What do you mean you split up?
We split up.
Like a divorce? Don't put your hands in your pockets.
Oh.
A divorce, or
no.
were you guys together?
Yeah, we were in a relationship.
Okay. All right. Well, hey, focus. Okay, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. You're all right.
He took everything from me.
Okay, we're looking for him. Okay, you got to tell me what happened, though.
Are you a good cop?
Huh?
You're a good cop.
I'm a good cop.
That's my son.
Okay. How are you, man? I've talked to you before.
Yep.
Yeah. What's in your hand on that other one?
It has nothing with it. Oh, the dog.
Oh, okay.
The dog.
Okay. What's your dog's name?
Roscoe.
Roscoe?
He's a
Have
wow.
I talked to you before, man? What's up, buddy?
Talk to me for a minute.
Okay. What happened?
Got angry because of Shawn.
Who got angry?
Shawn did.
Shawn did.
Shawn got angry?
Yes.
Okay. Why did he get angry?
Busted the thing.
He busted the window?
Yeah.
Okay. How did he bust the window?
It's a knife.
With what?
With his cane.
Oh,
Cane.
Oh.
Cane.
Okay. All right. Well, relax, man. Take a deep breath. Is that your toy car?
Yep. Takes batteries.
It takes batteries, huh? All right.
Yep. You guys can help, right?
Huh?
You guys can help me.
We're gonna help.
Get a room.
No.
No, well,
We're
maybe.
staying in Platteville. Me and Jody are staying in Platteville.
Yeah.
Okay, you're Jody?
Jody.
Hi, man. I'm Zach. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we've talked to you before.
Yeah, I think so.
I lived on 4th Street.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was his name?
Shawn Billinger.
Okay. Do you have a date of birth?
It's 9/2/72.
SH.
Right?
SHAWN.
You give us the right?
Hold on, one, buddy. BIL.
BILLINGER.
Okay. Does he have anybody? Where is he? Would he go to Platteville?
I don't think so.
Okay.
He's on a mission, a death mission or something. I don't know.
Okay.
Because I left him and then I ran into him, and which I would have never ran into him.
How did you run into him?
I went to the store and he happened to be right there.
Which store?
The Safeway.
Okay, so then what happened?
And I told him I was going back home, and he told me no. He tried to put the stupid van in reverse.
In which parking lot? This parking lot?
Over here at Safeway.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this happened at Safeway?
No, he broke the window here.
No, what happened at, continue with, give me his date of birth first. How about that? Shawn's date of birth again?
Yeah, it's 9/2/72.
72?
You guys know.
Okay. And what's your name?
Jacqueline Simbeck.
Jacqueline? Spell it for me.
JACQU.
Hold on, JAC what?
QUELINE. Simbeck, spelled like it sounds. SIMBECK. Go in the bathroom and use the bathroom in there.
I know.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
It's 9/11/70.
Okay. Alright. Do you know a phone number for Shawn?
No, he doesn't have a phone. He broke my phone too.
Okay. Okay, alright, so tell me again what happened. So you guys are at Safeway.
Yeah. And then he started throwing a fit there.
Okay, what do you mean by that?
Because he has a habit and he needs to quit it.
What habit?
He has a drug habit.
Okay, what kind of drugs?
Meth.
Okay. So tell me what happened again. So you guys were at Safeway and he threw a fit.
Yeah, because I wouldn't go find somebody.
Wouldn't go find somebody?
Yeah.
With meth?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I wouldn't take it.
Okay, when did this happen? What time?
Just a little bit ago.
Go ahead. Hey, from Shawn Billinger, something like that. Paper. So is it your van?
It's in both of our names.
Okay. Okay, so it happened at Safeway. So explain to me what happened again. So you're at Safeway.
Yeah, and he wanted me to go find somebody to go get his drugs, and I told him no, because I just don't like it. I don't want to be around it.
Right.
That's why we split up.
Okay.
And he threw a fit, and I told him I was going home.
Okay.
And then he made me pull in here because he almost went over like this, and somebody was coming.
Okay.
I just
With
had
the car?
Yeah.
Was he driving or were you driving?
No, I was.
So he reached over the steering wheel?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then what?
And then he made me pull in here.
Hold on 1 second. On 3. A firm. Maybe even like possible kidnapping, depending on the story. Yeah, she's the victim.
And then he while we were driving, he pulled out where the heater and everything is in the van.
Does he have any weapons?
He has knives.
She said he has knives and he broke his cane here.
And he's on a death mission because his dad just died. His family don't want nothing to do with him.
Is the van over there?
You can't miss it. It's got a broken window.
Okay. Which window's broken?
On this passenger side sliding door.
The passenger sliding door window's broken on it.
All the glass is right there.
Okay. Alright, so you guys pulled in here after he drove you off the road, then what happened?
And I got out and I told him I was going to go call you guys.
Okay.
And then he got mad and he started to walk away and he got back in the van before I got to the door.
Okay.
Roscoe.
And then what happened?
He ain't a fire hydrant. And then he got in the van and left.
Okay.
And he went that way.
Okay.
There he is right there.
Alright. Dispatch Lupton 322, foot pursuit, southbound. Hey, come here! Come here, stop! Stop, come here! Stop! Let me see your hands! Show me your hands! Hey, stop right there, man! Stop! Stop! Stop, man! Hey, stop! Police, stop! Police, stop! Stop! Stop right there! Dispatch Lupton 322, shots fired, code 5. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hey, let me see your hands! Just southwest of my car, in the backyard. Got one at gunpoint. I shot him once in the chest. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands, man! Show me your hands! Dispatch Lupton 322. Can you get a chopper on go? I have an adult male bleeding from the chest. Southwest of my car, behind the fence. He's got one gunshot to the chest, Sarge.
Right.
He's not breathing anymore, I don't think.
Okay, go ahead and cuff him up. I got you covered. Show us your hands.
Give me your hand. Alright, he's detained, Sarge.
Paramedics respond emergent. Party does not appear to be breathing at this time. So, carefully.
Where's Perry?
Hey, Perry!
Perry, we need your medical right here. He's got a gunshot wound to the chest. I have a medical bag in my car. Okay.
What you got, guys?
I need a needle in a bad way.
Need a needle? You have one.
This is tough.
Okay, so I was at the Shell. I saw him driving. Went to go pursue. She told me that he made her drive over here. So I was pursuing. Maybe had kidnapping charges. I don't know what I had. It ran. He came over here. Came to the dead end. He went over here. He was trying to jump over the fence. Had him at gunpoint. He charged me. I told him to stop like 100 times, man. He wouldn't fucking stop. He put his hands down. Didn't know what he's going for.
Okay. Alright, you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm gonna go over here and just take a deep breath.
Okay.
Go back in your house, please, sir.
We're gonna get in the house. We'll be with you in just a minute, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any weapons?
Huh?
Do you have any weapons?
I think he had a small knife that I saw, but I don't know. I pulled it out of his right front pocket, I think. Yeah.
Alright, hang tight.
Can I shut off my camera or no? Okay.
You're not hurt, right?
No, I'm good.
You're sure?
I'm sure.
Turn around, let me look.
I'm fine.
Alright, no weapons on?
No.
No holes?
No holes. I'm good.
Okay, alright. Do you have any more gloves, dude?
Yeah, there's some in here, I think.
You okay, bro?
I'm alright. Perry. Perry, do you still have my mom's number?
Say again?
Do you still have my mom's number?
I don't know. Breathe.
I'm alright.
I'll take it. Back around the corner.
Yeah, it's gonna be
just left the chest, so he's gonna need it vented. I'm gonna go get my camera and start shooting.
Okay.
You good?
I'm alright, man.
All right.
Doing okay?
I'm alright.
Why don't we go back by my car
Okay.
until we figure out what's going on?
Police to help block traffic from the west end of Brand near the 100 Brands of Brandon site.
Sit outside.
Okay.
Pop it up.
Can I shut my camera off now?
Yeah, shut it off.